How annoying is it when you see people making a ton of money online using the exact same strategies and techniques that you've been taught, but you just don't seem to be making anything at all? You end up sitting there asking yourself, what is it that you're doing wrong, or what kind of information do they have that you don't, which allows them to get the results that they're getting? So in today's video, we're actually going to go through and actually address some common problems people have with making money through affiliate marketing and why some people don't make money from it at all. So if you're a regular visitor here, you already know what affiliate marketing is. But if you're new, affiliate marketing is basically where you get paid commissions as a result of promoting someone else's products through a specific link linked to you. But it's also important to know affiliate marketing is not a way to get rich quick. Although some people do make a significant amount of money quickly, for the most part, it does take most affiliate marketers some time to gradually build that income through affiliate marketing. As a result, many people who actually start affiliate marketing tend to give up because they don't make the amount of money they were hoping for in the short amount of time they were trying to do it. As a result, a lot of these people give up and just don't try again. So if you're new to affiliate marketing or just been having trouble making it work, this video is for you. We're going to go through over some of the top reasons why people don't succeed with affiliate marketing and some tips on how to actually increase or improve your affiliate marketing results. So let's jump into it. So one of the main reasons why most people don't succeed with affiliate marketing is because they don't understand their target audience well enough. Now I'm putting this one first because this will set the foundation for everything you do as an affiliate. So your target audience is basically a group of people who are most likely going to be interested in products or services you're going to promote. So if you don't actually know who your target audience is, it's going to be very difficult to actually promote or convince them to make purchases through you. A lot of people don't spend much time doing this because it does take a bit of research and actually learning and understanding what are specific to that target audience. So to be successful as an affiliate marketer, you need to understand your target audience inside and out. This means doing the research to understand what their wants and needs are, understand what tones and language resonates well with them, and also what problems they're facing. So by understanding your audience, you can create content which speaks directly to them and their problems and present your product or offer as a solution to their problems to actually improve their lives. And as I said, unfortunately, a lot of people skip over this step and don't spend much time doing it. And as a result, they pick products or promotions which have a high popularity or high commission rate, but without actually understanding their audience and what their needs are, they might promote these products or services to them, but get no success as a result. So if you're struggling as an affiliate marketer, take the time to actually research and understand your target audience and actually figure out exactly what they need from you. Spend the time researching, understanding their pain points, and actually figure out what way you can actually approach your audience to present offers and products to them as a solution for them so that they can actually improve their lives and end up wanting to buy from you over time. The second reason I want to go over why people aren't successful as an affiliate marketer is because they haven't spent the time building a decent email list. So an email list is simply a group of people who have given you permission to send them emails in relation to products and offers that might resonate with them. And if you don't have a good email list, you're missing out on a big opportunity to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. You might have a social following on social media, but as you know, social media, you can be quite restricted to how far you actually reach. The algorithms change, your reach might be reduced, or you just might not be engaging well enough with that audience. However, with an email list, you have direct access to a target audience who already are aware of you and who actually know what you're actually promoting and what you actually stand for. And with this, you can actually build deeper connection and trust with that audience you've already cultivated and actually end up driving more sales over time. So how do you actually build a good email list? Now, I've actually gone through this in another video, but I'll quickly run over it with you here right now. You actually want to offer your audience or your audience on social media something of value in return for their email. Now, this is most likely a free ebook or a cheat sheet of some sort, or something of value in the niche of what you're trying to promote or what your audience is actually situated in. So the idea is basically you want to give people a reason to sign up to you. Then once you actually have these people on your email list, it's important to keep them engaged and to actually keep developing that trust and that connection with them. And over time, as you come up with products or services or offers, you can actually promote these to that audience as long as it resonates with them and it's in line with what they've actually signed up for in the first place. And that will have a better conversion rate for you and end up leading to more sales and ultimately more money over time. So if you're finding value with this video so far, don't forget guys, drop me a like and subscribe to the channel so you can be kept up to date with my latest videos, especially in the field of affiliate marketing. Another reason why most people don't succeed with affiliate marketing is that they don't choose good products or promotions to offer. In other words, they might not be picking the right products to promote to their audience. When it comes to picking up affiliate product or promotion, you want to do your research. You want to make sure that the product or promotion you're presenting is of high quality, has a good reputation, and is actually relevant to your niche. So if you're promoting products or services which are of low quality or have no relevance to your target audience, you're actually going to have a hard time presenting it to that audience and end up having a hard time making sales. And another important factor to consider when choosing affiliate programs is the commission rate. While some might have a high commission rate, which seems very attractive, you also want to look at factors of if the value is actually there for your audience. If it's low value or doesn't have a high amount of value for your audience, you're not going to end up making sales over time because there is no value perceived by your audience and they just won't buy. And you also want to consider the affiliate program itself. You want to make sure the affiliate program you're signing up to is known to actually pay their affiliates on time and provide good support, like emails, technical support, and other kind of factors which make you more successful as an affiliate for their program. Because if you don't, it can actually be quite frustrating and discouraging to actually use or be successful as an affiliate over time. Now, the last reason I want to go over why people aren't successful with affiliate marketing is probably one of the most important ones and the most common one as well. And that is that people just give up way too soon. Many people start with the expectations that they're gonna make a lot of money really, really quickly and really easily. And when they don't see those results coming through, they end up just giving up because they just don't see the value in continuing. But when they don't see immediate results, people just tend to give up, and as a result, they just see no success with being an affiliate. However, building a successful affiliate marketing business does take time, and those who are successful with it stick with it over time as well. So remember, as an affiliate, it does take time to actually grow your business. You want to spend time building the trust with your audience, building the audience, and then over time generating those sales. It's also normal to face challenges and setbacks, but as long as you're consistent with showing up and actually putting in the effort, successful will come to you over time. So to be successful with this, you just want to make sure you actually set yourself realistic expectations and goals of what you want to achieve. Set a longer time frame of what you want to do, and gradually over time you will build that result or that trust with your audience and get the results you're after. So this means creating that high quality content for your audience to engage with, building that trust through emails, and then obviously presenting them with products or services which actually benefit them, not just yourself through commissions. So if you implement these 4 strategies, I am sure you'll be more successful over time with affiliate marketing. Like I said, don't just get discouraged if you don't see success or results quickly. Make sure you understand your target audience. Make sure you build and develop and cultivate your email list, and make sure you're part of good affiliate programs which you can promote. So let me know below which of these resonated most with you and what you're actually going to try to implement and actually build your success over time. And don't forget guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys again in the next video.